Hey there. Ever wonder if the AI you chat with is just avoiding mistakes or actually helping you thrive? Today, we're breaking down a groundbreaking study that's redefining what it means for AI to be aligned with humanity. Spoiler, it's not just about being safe, it's about helping us live better lives. Let's start with a simple question. What makes life good? Researchers call this human flourishing, a concept that's way more than just not getting hurt. It's about happiness, relationships, purpose, health, and even our spiritual beliefs. But how do you measure if AI is helping us achieve that? Enter the Flourishing AI Benchmark, a new test that's turning traditional AI evaluation on its head. Here's the twist. Instead of asking AI to solve math problems or avoid toxic answers, this test asks, does this AI support people in living their best lives? To find out, researchers broke human flourishing into 7 key areas: character, relationships, happiness, meaning, health, finances, and faith. Think of them as the pillars of a balanced, fulfilling life. Now, how does the test work? Imagine a quiz with over 1,200 questions, some factual, some scenario-based. For example, if someone asks, how do I handle a conflict with a friend? The AI's answer isn't just graded on correctness. It's evaluated on whether it fosters healthy relationships, emotional well-being, and even ethical reasoning. But here's the clever part. Instead of humans judging every response, the team trained specialized AI judges. Think of them as virtual advisors, each focused on one of the 7 dimensions. They're like a team of experts, making sure evaluations are consistent and fair. Now let's talk results. The study tested 28 leading AI models, and guess what? No one hit the top score. The best models scored around 72 out of 100, but gaps were clear. For instance, faith and spirituality. A major weak spot. Character and virtue. Also lagging. Why? Because most AI is built to process data, not nurture values or meaning. This matters because traditional AI ethics often focuses on avoiding harm. But this research argues that's not enough. If we want AI to truly serve humanity, it needs to actively support our flourishing. Imagine an AI that doesn't just answer questions, but helps you build stronger relationships, find purpose, or make financially wise decisions. Of course, there are limits. The benchmark doesn't measure environmental impact or technical efficiency, areas that still need attention. But by focusing on human-centered outcomes, it's a crucial step toward aligning AI with what really matters in life. So what's next? The researchers are open sourcing their methods, inviting collaboration, and pushing the field to think bigger. Because if AI is going to shape our future, it shouldn't just be smart. It should help us become the best versions of ourselves. But here's the twist. This isn't just about fixing flaws. It's about redefining AI's purpose. Right now, most models are trained to optimize for narrow tasks, like answering trivia or writing essays. The FAI approach. It's about building systems that actively promote well-being. Picture this, an AI that doesn't just diagnose your illness, but also considers your job stress, family support, and mental health. Or a financial advisor that balances risk with your long-term happiness, not just profit margins. Let's make it real. Imagine you're feeling overwhelmed by life. A traditional AI might say, here's a productivity tip, but an FAI-powered system would ask, how are you coping? What's weighing on you? It's like having a coach who gets you without the jargon. But here's the catch. The FAI benchmark isn't perfect yet. For starters, it's mostly built on English language data, which risks favoring Western ideas of happiness. What if someone in Nigeria or Brazil has a totally different definition of flourishing? Also, measuring long-term impacts is tricky. Can we even know if AI advice helps someone thrive over years? Researchers are already working on solutions, expanding datasets to include diverse cultures, refining evaluations with experts, and testing how AI handles complex multi-step conversations where context matters most. So what does this mean for you? The FAI benchmark isn't just for scientists, it's a wake-up call. Developers, ethicists, and you need to shape AI that thinks beyond code. The goal isn't just to avoid harm, it's to build systems that help us live better. Because the future of AI isn't just about what it can do, it's about what it should do. Thanks for watching. If you're curious about how AI can support your well-being, hit subscribe for more deep dives into the science behind the tech. And let me know in the comments, what's one thing you wish AI understood about you? See you next time.